Hi, my name is Nikki Sizemore of From Scratch Fast, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Ninja Foodi Dual Heat Air Fry Oven. With Ninja's exclusive dual heat technology, you can sear and crisp proteins at the same time, make restaurant-worthy pizzas, and even bake flaky, fluffy pastries at home. Dual heat technology comprises of a dense sear plate that is heated up to 500 degrees, allowing it to perform like cast iron. The cyclonic air can also be heated to 500 degrees, allowing food to be cooked and crisped throughout. Dual heat technology is unlocked with these 5 functions: sear crisp, rapid bake, frozen pizza, fresh pizza, and griddle. These functions are programmed to deliver the perfect balance of heat from the cyclonic air, but also direct heat coming from the sear plate, so you can get meals on the table faster. Before we get started cooking up one of the recipes from the included inspiration guide, there are a couple things to note when using the dual heat functions. For all dual heat mode functions, you must install the sear plate in the bottom rails to allow it to preheat before starting the cook cycle. The dual heat functions will cook faster than a traditional oven, so the first couple of times using the oven, make sure to keep an eye on your food. For optimal results, we suggest flipping food halfway through the cook cycle. Now let's see this oven in action. Let's make the herbed pork tenderloin with carrots and baby Parmesan potatoes found in the inspiration guide that comes with your unit. You'll start by inserting the sear plate in the bottom rails of the oven to allow it to preheat. This gets you a nice sear on proteins and added caramelization on vegetables. Turn the oven on, press the dual heat mode button, then rotate the dial to select sear crisp. Then press the temp shade button to set the temperature to 425 degrees, and press the time slices button to set the time to 30 minutes. Push the setting dial to begin cooking. I have my ingredients prepped, but you can prep your ingredients while the sear plate is preheating, which can take 5 to 10 minutes. The progress bar on the UI will show during the preheat cycle. Once the unit has finished preheating, the indicator on the display will turn off and the unit will beep. The clock then starts immediately counting down. Look at how much food can fit on this sear plate. Right here, I have enough food to feed up to 4 people. As a reminder, the magic of this product is from the heat coming directly from the sear plate. That means this oven cooks your food fast, and the speed will likely take some getting used to. Halfway through the cook time, you may flip your food, but it's not required. There is a hook built into this oven so that you can easily pull out the sear plate and interact with your food just like you would in a full-size oven. Once the pork tenderloin and vegetables are finished cooking, you'll hear a beep when the timer goes off. After a cook cycle, the sear plate is super hot, so carefully remove the sear plate with oven mitts that are rated for 500 degrees or more. Look at how delicious this looks. You can see that the sear plate evenly browned the pork while caramelizing the veggies. Thanks to the Ninja Dual Heat Air Fry Oven, I have plenty of food to feed my family or friends. For more recipes, tips, and tricks, visit ninjatestkitchen.com and join the official Ninja Foodi family community on Facebook.